Namaste student, welcome to our craft video. This is the second activity. First activity you did and you sent me photo. I am very happy and thankful for that. This is our second activity. In this I have taken some waste material and some color paper. So I will show you. This is a waste cardboard sheet and this black paper is called velvet paper. This velvet paper you will get in the stationery shop or any bookstall also. Okay. So this paper is called as a velvet paper. I have taken black color, but in this you will get different colors also. Take this paper, paste on this, so it will be perfect to hold it or handle it. And on this paper you can draw any design, flower design, you can write welcome, or you can draw Ganesha picture, peacock picture, anything. So here by using pencil I have drawn one Ganesha picture, but it's very difficult to see you because paper color is black and pencil is a greyish, so it will not visible. But what I will do, I will put Fevicol on those lines so that it will be visible. At that time you can see. I will tell you other material to you. These are the waste things. I had one necklace, waste necklace. I took that and using that only I am going to decorate. These are the material. And the important is, see, this is our material. Important is, these are the things. This is called as husk of wheat, and we can get in wheat. While cleaning the wheat, we can get it. See carefully, inside grains are there, but we will not open it. Like this only we are going to use. So have you understood? These are the husk of wheat. While cleaning the wheat, we will get this. I am going to use this. Using this, you can make necklace set also. House means any scenery also you can make it. Okay. But here I took Ganesha picture, so I am going to complete my work. How it will be? See, by using pencil I have drawn already. On that only what I will do, I will make it visible to you people, and for the pasting work also we have to apply the Fevicol. Okay. So first I will apply the Fevicol in this way. This is the outline. This is the outline of Ganesha. Now you can see. First I will complete my outline and then I will start the pasting work. Okay. You can select any shape by using pencil, draw it properly. If it is confirmed, correct, then only you apply Fevicol in this way. Instead of this, rice, any type of grain, cereals you can use here. Okay. Now you can see it properly, right? See, for using this I will decorate eyes. Okay. The one more bit I will take afterwards and I will paste it inside. Okay. Now the remaining part I will show you so that whole picture will be visible. Okay. Apply Fevicol properly. Here legs are not visible. Okay. So I have not drawn full leg because Ganesha is sitting. It is in sitting position, so the legs are not visible fully. This is Ganesha's favorite. This favorite food is called as modak in Maharashtra. This is a sweet dish. Okay, see, now you can see the design. Now I will take these grains and these all the things and I am going to paste it in this way. You can see. Take one by one grain. It is a husk. In this way you have to paste it. Select the direction. See, one I will show you. If you are going to paste in this way, continue paste in this way only. Okay, don't change the direction. It will look very nice because the color combination is good. This color is very cream, light color, and our background color is black. So it will look very nice. Okay, in this way you can paste it fully. Wherever is curve, you can change it. Okay student, the pasting work is completed, and after the pasting work our activity is going to see like this. Okay, how it is, see carefully, and you if you didn't got these things, you can use rice or any grains. Okay, or beads also you can use. If you have a old necklace, cut it, and those all the beads you can use in this to decorate it. And even you can change the design also. Instead of Ganesha you can select peacock, lotus, anything else. Okay, the last finishing work I left, that I will complete now. This mala I am going to paste here in this way. Arrange it properly and then paste. Okay. See, and now after completion, take one plastic sheet which you will get in a bookstore and cover it fully so that it will be not dirty. Okay, and you can hang, you can paste in your dining hall. This is our second craft activity. Okay, our activity is completed. See, in this way I have completed this. You have to do, and you have to show me the photos. You have to send the photos through WhatsApp. Okay? Thank you student. Thank you once again. चलो